Oh, hi, editing Misty here. First of all, new glasses, they're sparkly. Second of all, I didn't realize that I wasn't wearing mascara and I filmed like 8 videos. So you're gonna see me in like 8 videos with no mascara on, and that's why I look a little weird. So yeah, anyway, this one's going up on time. The rest of them, I don't know, but yeah, so here we go. Hi everyone, it's Misty here. Hey, hi, hello. Welcome to my Colourpan introduction. This is year 5, I think, which is bananas. So this is a project created by me. It's all about getting use out of Colourpop 4th Ray Sol. Do they even still have 4th Ray in Sol? I haven't purchased from Colourpop in a hot minute. It's 3 to 6 products. It's supposed to be rolling style and you set your own goals. It starts today, January 18th. Look at me getting an introduction up on time. It's amazing. And it goes through January 18th of next year. And it's, again, it's all about Colourpop 4th Ray Sol. I have a few finish goals. And then we've got some usage goals. So let's start with the finish goals. The first one is this one. I have been working on this for 162 years. What you're not going to see in this project is the More is More blush stick, because that is in Throwback 30. It's this one. This is the product that's been in here since, well, it was in here since the very beginning, but I thought I would finish it before now. We're almost done. I'm almost done. So I love these blush sticks. This is the More is More. I'm sure they've come out with a different color. It's basically Tarte, Froze, NARS, Orgasm, whatever. Very similar. I love this blush formula. I know some people don't enjoy it. I do. So, but that is not in this project this year. That is in a completely different project. But just know that I'm still working on it. Still working on it. I need some lip oil. Let's start there. So I have a couple of finish goals. The first one is this. This is one of their Luxe lip oils. I don't really enjoy these. My lips are dry. Hell. I mean, I don't really enjoy these. They're all right. I prefer the LA Girl ones over this. But you can see where I'm at. I keep this by my chair where I sit, and I just put it on when my lips feel dry. So goal is to finish. So now let's go back to this one. This is Seismic and something else. I don't remember what it is, but this is how much I have left. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off the sides and I'm going to repress this into the middle, and we'll see if we can get this done. It turned out really pretty. It's going to be a really pretty topper shade. It still looks pretty as a highlighter, but I want to get that finished. And that will actually be 2 products. I don't think I saved the packaging for the other one, but it'll be good to have a Super Shock finished. The next finish goal I have is this. This is one of their Get Super Shock bronzers. This is in the shade Get Sandy. I'm not working on a cream bronzer to finish, am I? Oh yes, I am. I'm working on 2 in Throwback 30. Oh well, we're gonna work on it anyway. I love the Super Shock formula, especially the highlighter one and the blush. I guess it's getting a little dry, so it's actually not a bad color. It's kind of resembles what I got on today. So yeah, my goal is going to be to finish it. I will take pictures. I will weigh these things and get everything. Maybe I'll put it in the description box. I don't know. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab, but you don't have to be a Fantastic Lady to join. The only prerequisite, is that the right word? I keep saying it. Hopefully it is that you use something that's Colourpop 4th Ray or Sol, if they even still have it. But you may still have it in your collection, so okay. Am I going to finish this? I mean, I don't know. You know what? We'll just do usage goals on these. Not a set number, just as many uses as I can get on them. This is the Mighty Morphin. Is that what this? Where's my glasses? Y'all, I went to the optometrist on like the 2nd. Mighty Morphin Super Shock Shadow. This is their Ultra Glitter. And I'm actually getting prescription that works. Because when we did this prescription last year, I was like, it's still blurry. And she's like, that's as close as I can get you. And I was like, are you kidding me? So I haven't been able to see well this whole entire year. But I went on the second. My eyesight has gotten a little better because my blood sugars have gotten better. And it was like perfect. And it's so much better than the glasses I have now. And I'm just like, they need to get here ASAP. So anyway, I want to get as much use out of this as possible. I should have put it in my inner corner today. I didn't even think about it. It's another topper. It's really pretty. Ultimately, I would like to finish it, but we're just going to get as much use out of it as we can right now. Should we do 26 usage? I know that's what Jessica's doing. Yeah, I guess we can do 26 uses and see how far that gets us. But yeah, so that's in for 26 uses. The next one is the Super Shock Cheek in 360. I actually have two of these. Wait, no, this is not the one I wanted. Hold please. I wanted these one. This is in Chiffon. This is the one I wanted. The more kind of highlighted blush. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. And it'll look pretty as an eyeshadow. It'll look pretty on the cheek. I think it's just going to be really, really fun. I didn't get all the bronzer off of me. So, but yeah, so we'll do 26 uses on this. I may want to try to finish all of them though. I don't know. We'll see. Those dry up. I know you can like revive them, but they tend to dry up kind of quickly. So I want to get some use out of them or try to finish them. And then last but not least, I have the Tangled highlighter, and this is their highlighter in something party, Sky Party. Watch it be something completely different. Pink Pony. Whatever. Anywho, so I'm gonna put let's do 10 uses on these. I reserve the right to keep going. Listen, I am not much of a gold person, but Angie and Jessica got me onto this Tangled highlighter, and it is so pretty. This highlighter and the blush formula, the glowy blush formula, so flippin' pretty. So pretty. So here's the kind of pink iridescent one, and here's Tangled, which is kind of close to, not quite chiffon, but pretty close to chiffon. Really, really pretty. Oh, I cannot wait. I didn't bring in any eyeshadow palettes because, to be quite honest, I only have like 4 left. And 3 of them aren't even complete palettes. I have, the only complete palette I have is the Stone Cold Fox palette. I've decluttered almost everything else. I have the Sweet Talk palette minus the glitter. And then I have like the Making Mauves packaging with some Super Shocks in it. Like, I've basically decluttered most of my Colourpop eyeshadows just because there's just so much more. There's so much better formulas now. Even at the drugstore, there's like Catrice has better formulas, etc. And I've just kind of latched on to indie shadows, and I'm okay with that. So yeah, you're not gonna see many Colourpop eyeshadows other than the Super Shock. And this is the lone Super Shock I have, actually. So yeah, anyway, that's a lot of jibber jabber. So to repeat, I have a lip oil to finish. I have Seismic and Coral Quartz. I don't remember what the two of these are. In to finish. I'd like to finish Get Shady. We're going to get 26 uses each out of Mighty Morphin. And then Chiffon. And then 10 uses each out of the Tangled highlighter and then Pink Pony. We knew that was coming, didn't we? So easy. Now, I have a question. So a few years ago, I did a similar project called Painting Revolution, and it was all about painting Makeup Revolution. Do you guys want that project back? Because let me tell you, I think I have more Makeup Revolution now than I have Colourpop. So, how long is this project going to go? Until I use up everything. And then it may even still live on past that. I am a firm believer that if people are enjoying a project, just let it keep going. So yeah, I hope you join me on this one. I love this one. It's like my favorite one. And like I said, if you guys want Painting Revolution back, just let me know. But yeah, that's it. I think you're going to have one more intro with this hair. I think I'm going to do Paint Those Eyeshadows. I mean, I'm going to do Paint Those Eyeshadows or Project Level Up. I'm not sure which one. We'll see. It'll be a surprise to both of us, won't it? So thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Leave me a message down below letting me know if you are doing this one, if you've done it in the past. Do you want Painting Revolution? Yeah, just say hi for the algorithm. Just say hi because I like talking to you guys. But anyway, that's it. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.